Gina. Welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me here today. In today's video, I do have a home decor haul that I would love to share with you. I have items from HomeGoods, I have Ross, and I also have Marshall. I know in my last video I said that I was going to do a dining room refresh. However, I feel like if I do the home decor haul and the dining room fresh together, I feel like the video would be just way too long. So I'm going to do the home decor haul today, Tuesday, and then I think on Thursday or Friday, I'm going to have the dining room refresh video up on the channel. So I have some lovely items that I just cannot wait to share with you. So let's get into it. So I'm just going to pick up from my last video, which I'd mentioned that I was looking for 2 lamps for my new credenza, and oh my goodness, I went to HomeGoods and I saw these beautiful lamps. I wasn't sure if I was going to find what I was looking for there, but honestly, it's always just such a great feeling when you have an item in your head that you are looking for, and then you go to the store and it's sitting on the shelf literally waiting for you to come in and purchase it. It was just the best day. So let me show you the item that I'm talking about. I think you can already see it peeking out in the video right here, but let me just pick her up because she is a beauty. So this is the gorgeous lamp, and oh my gosh, I remember when I went to the store, I went to HomeGoods and I went to the lamp section, and this beauty was just sitting there waiting for me. I just love it so much. I love the shape. I love the size. I was on the hunt for 2 statement lamps, and these are definitely what I had in mind. These are from the brand, I think Toll Brothers. I think I got rid of the sticker or the label, but HomeGoods at the moment, they have some of the most beautiful lamps. I think I might have to put it down because it is quite heavy. I love the fact that the base is not like a stock white color. It's kind of like this creamish color, which I just love so much. It is just so gorgeous. And of course, it came with the shade. I always love when lamps, their shade is a little bit larger than the base because it does give it that more expensive look, which I just love so much. I did purchase 2 of them. I can't believe that there were 2 of them waiting for me there in the store on the shelves. Oh my god, these are going to be the lamps that I'm going to put on my new credenza, and I cannot wait to style up that room for summertime with you guys. And that's going to be in the next video after this. Like I've mentioned, I think it's going to be on either Thursday or Friday, but either way, that video is coming. So this is just one of my, oh my gosh, it's getting so heavy. So this is just one of my favorite purchase out of this haul that I'm about to show you. I just love these so much and I just cannot get over them. So also what I love with these is that in the future, if I do want to, I can always change out the shade to kind of match the base. It does have, like I've mentioned, this cream color. Honestly, you can change it out to whatever color scheme that you do have going on in that particular area. But I did switch them out in the store just to have a feel of what it would look like. So this kind of a khaki color, this khaki color lampshade. And when I tell you, it looks so beautiful. So, but for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and keep the white lampshade because it just looks so beautiful in the dining room. So let me just put it down because it literally is just breaking my wrist. We're moving on from the lamp. So I did went into Marshall's the other day and I did found this beautiful item on display. It's this beautiful, it could be a bowl or a display tray. As for me, I'm going to use it as a display on my credenza. I'm not quite sure yet. I didn't try it out as yet, but I think that it would look absolutely gorgeous on my credenza. I love the yellow, the little hint of yellow, because I do want to have like a little hint of yellow in my dining room. For me, anything that's lemony yellow, it just screams summertime. And I just love that they do have these lemons painted on here. These were $9.99 from Marshalls, and I did pick up two of them. I just love them so much, and I cannot wait to see them on display in my dining room. So at the moment, I am very much into the color green. And while I was in Home Goods, I saw this really beautiful item on display. This is the beautiful item that I saw when I was in Home Goods that really caught my eye. I love checkered print so much, whether it's black and white. I especially love anything that's checkered in black and white. I love this. So it's in the color green and also this kind of a grayish color marble. It is marble, by the way, and I love the fact that it does have these little feet or legs. I love that when you do, place it on a surface, it is a bit raised, so just in case you might have anything that spill, it just flows right underneath, and I just love that. Again, the color, I just love the color. From the moment I saw it, I knew that I was going to take it home with me. I just love it so much. The price was really good. It was only $12.99, so I absolutely love that. This I'm going to have displayed in my kitchen because in the dining room I'm going to have, a green and yellow, yeah, a green and yellow color scheme going on in there. So I think that this would look absolutely beautiful in my kitchen on display. So absolutely love this. They do have them in, I think, two or three different sizes. And I did pick up the smaller size, which I just love. And again, the price was just absolutely amazing for $12.99. So love this. Continuing with the green theme, when I was in Home Goods, I also saw this green and white napkins. These I'm going to use on my dining table. These are going to be my summer napkins. I absolutely love them. Of course, they're in my favorite color at the moment. Well, one of my favorite colors at the moment. I'm also into the color yellow so much. I feel like that's such a summery color. Like yellow is just such a beautiful summery color that I just love so much. But anyways, staying on the green theme, I absolutely love these. These were $9.99 and they are 80% cotton. No, 90% cotton, excuse me, and 10% polyester. Isn't that bad? I absolutely love them. I think there are six to the pack, which I thought that was a really great deal. I love the stripe details. They're gonna look absolutely lovely on my dining room table when I do set it up. So love these. I also saw these beautiful napkin rings, which does have a kind of a butterfly detail on top. And I thought that this would be absolutely perfect for my summertime tablescape. So let me just take them out so I can show you. So this is what they're looking like. They are ceramic, so absolutely gorgeous. The quality is amazing. The price was $12.99 for the four, which was a little bit pricey, but I absolutely love butterflies and they're just so gorgeous. I do have a lot of butterflies in my garden, so this was absolutely perfect. What the napkin rings are looking like, I absolutely love them. I think that they will look perfect on my summer tablescape. I have my napkins here that I am going to be using. So absolutely lovely combination. In Ross, I saw this beautiful, beautiful tray, which I fell in love with. So this is the gorgeous tray that I just fell in love with. It is a mixture of green. The quality is just absolutely chef's kiss. And of course, it's marble. I don't know if you've noticed, but I do have a massive obsession with marble. It's just so beautiful. This was on sale. It was only $14.99, and I'm just really trying to protect my toes because if this should fall on my toes or anyone else's toe, my goodness, it would be it would definitely be a mashed potato situation because again, this is marble. It is so heavy. So you do have to be super careful when you're handling it, but it is just so gorgeous. I love it so much, and the details is just it's just magnificent. It's just magnificent. I love it so much. So in my living room, I do have a kind of a green situation going on, green color, splash of color here and there. And I thought that this would look absolutely perfect styled up here in the living room, either on the coffee table or on the side table. So absolutely love this. Really great find at Ross. Again, when you do shop, when you do go shopping, always check out the clearance section because you don't know what you'll find there. This was in the clearance section and it was only $14.99. So absolutely, if I had to purchase this at another more expensive store, it would have been a lot more than $14.99. So I just love the craftsmanship. The quality is just so amazing. This is one of, I know I keep saying that this is my favorite, but this is absolutely one of my favorites so far. Love this. So we are back to Home Goods, and I saw this beautiful beaded decorative item while I was in Home Goods, and I thought that it would go perfect in my living room. It looks absolutely lovely. It's made from wood, and I think it was 16.99 or somewhere up in price. But I love this. It was absolutely gorgeous. I think that it would look nice styled up in this together on my side tables here in my living room. So I had to put down that bowl real quick because it is so incredibly heavy. Again, it's marble, so of course it's going to be really heavy. So while I was in Home Goods, I saw this beautiful tray that was on display, and it's in one of my favorite color schemes. So let me show you. So this is the tray. I love it. I love anything that's black and white, striped or checkered. It's just my favorite. I just love this so much. So I saw this. It was quite pricey, to be honest. I think it was 30 something for this tray, but I love it. I feel like I can use it in so many different ways. I can style it up, whether it's inside the house or on my patio. I can have it on display or use it as an actual tray. I love this so much. So I knew I was going to purchase it, even though it was a little bit on the pricier side. But yeah, I fell in love when I saw it. It does have two handles that you can use as an actual tray. So you don't have to use it just as a decor piece. You can use it as an actual tray. So I thought it was quite lovely. And of course, I had to take it home with me. So this is my new tray. I honestly don't need to purchase any more trays because I do have quite a few. So this is most definitely my last one. I think. Well, no, but yeah, this is gonna be my last tray because I do have quite a few of them, so I don't need any more. So while I was in Marshalls, I saw this cute little flower pot. It's actually ceramic. I fell in love with it. I love the royal blue color. It just looks so rich and so expensive, and I love that. I also love all the little details, the little floral details that's here. It's absolutely gorgeous. This was only $6.99. It did have the bigger size also. I think it was a medium size. And that was a lot more expensive. Of course, it was a bigger size. But this is just so gorgeous. On my patio, I do have my Shin Rosary. I think I'm saying it correctly. I do have those pots on my patio. So I have them on my dining table on my patio and also my coffee table. I was looking for another, like a smaller one, because pots, when things are grouped in threes, it looks so much better. So I needed a smaller one for my dining table on my patio. So I thought that this was perfect. I'm gonna pot up a cute little plant in here and add it to my dining room table on my patio. So absolutely love this sweet little purchase. So last but not least, I did found another marble item while I was at Marshall's. So let me show you. I need to stay away from marble items, but again, this is so heavy. Oh my goodness. But how gorgeous is this? It's marble. I think right now at Marshall's that I think I was there the other day and they're actually putting a lot of things on clearance. So I think they were in there doing a lot of markdown. It was quite busy in there because there were a lot of associates putting red stickers on everything. So this was only $10. It was absolutely gorgeous. I can imagine this styled up, whether it's in here, on my coffee table, on my dining table inside the house, or on my patio table filled with some fruits. Honestly, you can put whatever you like in this bowl. It's absolutely versatile, and that's what I just love about decorative items like this. It's just so versatile and I just love it so much. The quality is just so amazing. I just love this so much. Again, it is quite heavy, so you have to be careful with your toes. And be careful when you're handling this item because God forbid it should fall on your toes. I'll feel very sorry for you, but or for myself. But this is absolutely gorgeous, and yeah, I love it so much. So I'm definitely not going to be purchasing any more marble items, at least for the next till the end of the year. I'm trying to hold myself to that promise, but you know, I just love marble items so much. It's just such a beautiful material. Yeah, I love it so much. So, friends, this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I had so much fun sharing my summer home decor haul with you. And also, I cannot wait to style up my dining room with some of these items for the summertime. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.